You doing, Lincoln? You doing? Huh? What you doing? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Alright, yeah. We can do that. Like, can you just give me a minute? You know I'm hungover. That's why you're being mean. Yes, you are. Yes.
I have a question for you. Can the average man lick his own armpits?
What? Kids are so weird.
Arr. Arr, 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 arr. 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 Arr.